Good afternoon, this is Phil Holmes reporting for the Williamsport Sun-Gazette at the Route 15, Route 14 interchange here in Lewis Township, where this tractor trailer jackknifed around 3:45 Thursday afternoon after apparently the right front tire blew out. That is according to the truck driver, who is identified as Clyde Gardner of Thomasville, North Carolina. He was southbound when that tire blew, causing him to lose control. He went off the road here and landed here. Bresslers Towing and Cleanup Operations Towing Company is directing cleanup operations here. One of two saddle tanks ruptured as a result of this accident. They're going to drain both saddle tanks before removing this rig. Mr. Gardner, again from North Carolina, was loaded with bales of hay. This is the scene, Route 14, Route 15 interchange in Lewis Township, following a crash Thursday afternoon. We're pleased to report that Mr. Gardner climbed out of the wreckage on his own, climbed out of the cab, and was declined treatment for a very minor injury. Phil Holmes here, reporting for the Williamsport Sun-Gazette.